In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted Messenger chats in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover your deleted chats on Facebook Messenger, then what you have to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens and then go to settings. Click on the search option and in the search bar type download profile information. Click on download profile information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted messages on Facebook Messenger, therefore click on this deselect all option and then only select messages. Scroll down and click on this create file option. Once you click on create file, a file containing your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger will be sent to your email address. Once you have received the file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted chats on Messenger will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.